Hi student, this is quiz number 3 for extra problem, 10 point. If you're interested with, this is optional. So if you want to do, I share how you to do. Okay, so the first one, the problem, we have the point it calculate for parking space. So that's why look at the problem. You can read all of them before you start. I give you some information before you do that. The first of all, for example, this one, they want you design for parking space for one medical center, and the size is 34 acres. It's designed for 6 buildings for total in the medical center. So they give you the area for each building, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically, you look at the area like this. You need to ask for total building area. That means total 6 buildings. You add it on for make sure how much area you got in square feet. And after that, you need to calculate for how many parking space. The guideline, I put the hint for you. This is medical center service. The parking space ratio is 200 cross floor area. That means one parking space you need 200 square feet. And because this one, so you take the total building area right here, you divide by 200, and you got how many parking space for the medical center. So after that, when you have the parking space, you start to calculate for the disabled parking space or handicap parking space. And the hint, they give you the 2%. That means 100 regular parking, we need 2 handicap parking. So after you got the parking number, you need to time for 0.02, or this is the percentage from the handicap one. 100, you need 2. So how many total parking space, and you need how many handicap parking space. After that, we add it on for me to get the total parking number, include the parking regular and the parking for handicapped people. So basically the problem is look like that. So the first one, you need to add on of the area. The second one, you need to divide for 200 to get how many parking space. And the last one is you calculate how many handicap parking space you need for this building center. And the end of them, you need to add it on for how many total parking, include the regular and the handicap parking space. So if you go with this one, I give you more paper to show for the guideline how to do for parking space, and I also post this on Canvas for you can use for reference later. If you have chance to do for calculate for parking space, you know how to do with the area they're giving you. Okay, this is optional for quiz number 3. So if you're interested, you can solve that in 10 points. If not, and you don't need to do, not required. Okay, so this is the extra point I give you for quiz number 3. And one more time, the quiz number 3 will be start on August 21st. And like I told you, we have 2 parts. Part A include for fill in the blank and the answer with the page number I give you on the textbook. You can do that first and email me. The second part, I will start on day and on time. Look like the regular attendance. So that's why on April 21st around 4:30, I will post the rest of the quiz number 3. That's mean part B, and you have the answer and email back to me around 5:50 or 6 p.m. So basically I call that's the given time. That means the time exactly the one you attended in class before COVID-19. So I hope you guys do everything good. And one more last thing, I have 10 point extra for you if you do the same thing, coloring, and email me also the picture which you color already. Just email me for get 10 point more. So that's all for quiz number 3. After quiz number 3, I will select few people continue to do for final or something else. So that's why I will follow that after queen number 3. Good luck for all of you and hope to see you soon.